Hi Ryan. Basta, yes. Di pa ako makain. I'm just testing if anyone would be listening. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your time. Baka hindi mo na nakita ko, pero glad to see you. Gagawin ko na. Ba, kumain na ba kayo? Nag-dinner na ba kayo? Tanong nyo lang kahit anong gusto nyo itanong sa ating chat box lang tanong at subukan mo sagutin yan kung ano yung kaya mo sagutin. No worries. Okay. Masyado maliit pala yung caption sa ibaba. Masyado malaki. Okay. So, nakahanap naman ako ngayon ng dito na express. This one, meron dito. Express and Firefly. Bagong logo na pala yung Firefly ngayon. So, iba na yung ano niya. Nakalagay sa kanya FI yung lumalabas na logo nila. Pero hindi pa rin nila ina-update sa sa actual branding. Pero siguro gamitin ko na lang yung dating ginagamit nila. For the sake of being consistent. Punta lang muna ito. Kumain na ba kayo? Kung kayo kumain na, maraming bago pa pala. I'm just going to save this image. Meron ako ng kabilang browser. Save ko muna siya. Then I'm going to upload this to my brand. Hopefully, medyo mas mabilis siya. Then, going to go to brands. And then go to here and add an asset, which is this one. It's a Firefly logo. Place it here. Yeah, okay. Pareho lang pala sila. Express and Firefly. Here. Here. Pipilihan lang natin. I just hope na lalabas siya. Pero kung hindi siya lalabas. Aparat pala yung ginagamit ko dito. Dapat Proxima Nova na yun. Okay. Let's make this medyo I think I'll be using this in more impromptu sessions. So again, for those who are just pala siya ako. Pag ginalaw nyo to, pinakataas, you're going to move the tools. And then you would see na even if you select something, nagbago na nga pala itong mga controls sa gilid. Napapansin nyo, in the new Express, to be some changes with how you can control some of the properties. So you see here. So nagbago na siya. Okay, so I think this one would work now. I'm just going to click on download and save this as a PNG. So like this. Just going to just make it real quick and simple, unlike the other ones. As we have here, you would see. Check some of it. Go back to our pages. Still have the following. Let's close this. Sabi niya is yung XT tuloy parang legit na yung nangyayari sa kanya. Oo, yung XT, gets ko na. Yun na talaga ang icon niya simula pa noon. Parang pang-asar, di ba? Nakakatuwa. Oo. Minsan nga kapag kausap ko yung mga designers, sinasabi nila XD yung eksaktong nakalagay. Hala ko may yung emoji mismo. So, eksakto. Tama. Ang galing ng observations mo, Ryan. Ang bilis talaga. Ang bilis talaga mag-isip. Tama. Sige. Chef. Okay, sige. I'm going to open Firefly on this. So, firefly.adobe.com, you know the drill. And if you would see, by opening Firefly, bago na siya. Bagong-bago na. And the UI itself is much better. Actually, much better siya. But the actual thing na medyo I'm confused right now is you have to click this buy now. Yun yun. Taas yan. You can buy now. And there is a separate SKU or separate unit that you have to subscribe if you're going to render those videos or to use some of the Firefly enabled features. As you can see here, we have the Firefly Standard, which is 563 pesos per month. It has like the early access pricing. Ano siya? Magkano bang annual prepaid? Tingnan natin. 5,000 pesos for a year. Ang makukuha nyo ay 2,000 monthly generative credits. So, baka may magtatanong pa, saan yung generative credits? Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. Generate up to 25-second videos. So, gawin natin yung mamaya. And then translate 6 minutes of audio and video. Meron na ngayong translate feature si Adobe Firefly on which when you input a video, I mean audio, you can translate it to other languages. I'm just not sure and I haven't tried kung accurate yung lip syncing niya. Alam niyo yung lip sync, nag-lip-sync po yung bibig. Duolingo. Kulit si Duolingo. O nga no, bakit pinatay yung mascot nila? Hindi ko lang sure. Pero sige, tingnan natin. Hindi ko pa na-research ito. Subukan ko lang. Tingnan natin. Wow! Ang annual prepaid is almost 17,000 para sa Pro. You have 7,000 monthly generative credits for audio and video. Generate up to 75 seconds video. Translate 23 minutes of audio and video. So, unlimited access, standard image and vector features. Unlimited access. Okay. 100 gigabyte of cloud storage. Okay. Sige. So, ang tanong nasa ba nakikita yung mga credits na yan at para saan yan? Tingnan nyo po, pag tinignan nyo dito sa pinaka-account ninyo, sa Firefly, you would see that you have following credits. Monthly generative credits. I have this sa aking Creative Cloud subscription which is 1,000. I have 1,000. Tapos may 100 pa akong extra kasi I have other subscriptions na binigay sa akin. So yan ang kaya kong magawa ngayon. So, using hopefully, magkaroon sila ng ibang like sa mga community expert would given like much more bigger allocation. Kasi we're doing a lot of product demonstrations katulad ng ganito to consumers who wants to use Firefly. So we are like an unofficial spokesperson for the technology itself, or the platform itself. I just hope. Okay. So let's go back here. One of the biggest differences right now is when you go to, I don't know if I click on files, I will have a generation history. Yeah, that's the generation history. Generation history right now is, okay. I still have my generation history, pero yung ano lang, since the launch of the actual video the Firefly model, yung update na yun. Pero tingin nyo, 4 days ago. Well, actually, it's 4 days ago was announced that we were going to have an update to Adobe Firefly. So yung iba. And then the favorites itself is still, nandun. Actually, this one is created way back before. At nag-sync in na siya. Malaki dito, saved in browser. Before kasi, yeah, I think it's still the same. Your favorites are saved in this browser on this device. You cannot access them on other browsers or devices. Tama, up to now. It's still on your local device browser. Lahat na nakasave sa kanya. Ayan. Sige, question. Sabi ni Ryan, may part ako doon na gusto ko rin malaman pinagkaiba, sir, na Firefly, dyan sa Firefly part na yan. Yung reference ba, yung tapos may isa pa. Ano yung reference? Sige, ano yan? Reference. Ang instances ng references dito is dito siya nakalagay. So, I'll just go here sa home. We have, let's say, text to image, di ba? Text to image. Ang nakikita ko lang, ang sinasabi mong references dito would be here. Yan, meron dito composition reference, saka may style reference dito. So, may pagkakaiba sila na ang composition reference, it depends on how objects are being positioned on the canvas. So, yun yung nagagawa ng composition reference. While the style reference is how it looks. For example, kung meron kang ginawang any word, gusto mong gawan siya ng style reference, pwede nyo gawin. Yan, composition reference. So, ayun. So, try natin. For example, maglalagay ako dito ng prompt. Ano nga bang gusto ko ilagay ng prompt? Example ko yun. Ano gusto nyo? Let's say, gusto nyo, white tiger. Ayan. Meron naman nakalagay dito mga ano. Maganahan dito, meron siya tinatawag na prompt suggestion. As you would see. White tiger with spheres of blades in rustic jungle. Ano ba to? Sunset. Futuristic. Yeah, for example, yung natin. And then, ang gagamitin natin dyan with the prompt is, ito yung prompt natin, we're going to use this composition reference. So, huwag muna natin lagyan siya ng composition reference. For example, i-generate na lang muna natin siya. And naka-fast mode tayo dito para makasave tayo ng credits. Gawin ko na lang muna siyang widescreen. Then, we just have to make sure na let's click on generate. And subukan natin siya. So, wala muna akong nilalagay dito na composition reference. So, ibig sabihin, I'm just letting Firefly have its own way of interpreting the prompt na ginamit. Spheres of blades. Hindi ka naintindihan. Pero as you can see, ganyan yung gusto nyo mangyari, di ba? What you can do right now is, for example, kung meron nilalagay dito middle shot or long shot or zoom out, pwede kong ilagay yan dyan. Or if I want, I can use the actual composition style on which it will match the structure itself. So click ko to, and you will see, ang mangyayari dyan is I can have the strength dial up into the most strength. Nilagay natin speed sa right side. And then pag nag-click ko na generate, tingin nyo kung ano mangyayari. Right now, it will be respecting the reference of this. Ibig sabihin, front and center, lahat sila magiging ganun yung itsura. Halos kapareho nito. Tingin nyo kung mangyari. Yan o, tingin nyo. Diba? Kaso nga lang, anong nangyari? It was referencing the actual image. Kaya naging ganti itsura niya. So, tingin nyo puti. Diba? So, halos kapareho siya kanina. In-apply natin. Bakit din? Why is it so? Because we applied the full strength of the feature, pinaka-composition reference. What if lagay ko siya sa gitna, and if I click on generate, tingin nyo kung mangyari. Pag kinuha ko siya sa gitna, it will decide on how it will mix both the prompt and also the composition reference. So nakita nyo? So hindi siya masyadong naging accurate kasi hindi ganun kataas yung strength. Although, meron dito isang hit dito kasi meron lumalabas dito within this. And you will also notice that this one is a square, yung aspect ratio. So yan yung paggamit niya ng composition reference. I-match niya yung outline at saka yung depth ng ating ginagawa. So for example, naisip natin, baguhin natin, gawin natin yung patulad dito. parang road, diba? Road na yan. So why you have to be so road? Road, di ba? Why you have to be so road? Kanta yun, di ba? Why you have to be so road? Yan, hide natin. Yes, yan. Tama, Ryan. Yan. Subukan natin ganyan kung mangyari. Nag-ubos ako ng credits, di ba? So, ang nangyari, meron ditong nasa gitna yung visual strength ko. Visual intensity strength ko. Kaya meron siyang lines dito. May 50% na inahalo niya pero hindi pa rin siya nag-work out ng maayos eh. So, that's one thing. So, yan yun. If you want, you can use this. For example, meron kayong specific structure. Let's say, meron kayong mga circles, meron kayong mga triangles na nakalagay sa isang canvas ninyo. Pwede nyo gamitin yon as a guiding reference for your generation. Yun ang nagagawa ng composition reference. So, if I want, I can easily close this, tanggalin ko siya. Or, paano natin magagawa yung tayo mismo mag-create? You can click on upload image and what you will do here is you can browse on your own operating system, Finder or Explorer. Pwede nyo gawin. Sunod natin gagawin is we're going to use the style referencing. For example, marami dito style referencing. Let's click on browse gallery. And for example, I'm going to use something like this. So if I click on that, let's go back here. Para tignan natin gaano kataas yung kanyang. We have two sliders here. You have the visual intensity and the strength. We can go and use the strength here. If I click on generating it, mangyayari. Okay lang yan. Okay lang, mabawas credits ko. Marami pa naman yan. Nag-renew naman yan eh. Ano? Oo. Diba? Ang galing. Kita nyo, diba? See here. Kaso nga lang, sabihin nyo, bakit maliit? Diba? Kasi, what you can do right now is upscale this. For example, ito yung mas gusto nyo. Parang sabi nyo, ang ganda nito, diba? So, click ko itong upscale. Or, pag-click ko niya, tingin nyo kung mangyayari. Nasa na yung upscale? Ano ba ako? Naka-fast mode ba ako? Ba't ang liit? Ayun! Mali. Binago na naman nila kung nasaan. So, gagawin ko dito is right now, I can use upscale. Pwedeng upscale lahat. Isa lang. Tingnan natin to. Hindi Walang upscale. Ito download to eh. Ginawa ko yung download lang eh. Ano nangyari? Nag-download na siya. Dito siya. At ganun. Hindi siya pwedeng upscale na isa lang. Well, ayaw diba? So, gagawin ko, I'll click on upscale all. And you would see, pag click on upscale all of them will be on a much more higher resolution. LT sa binago na naman yun. Okay lang yan, gano'n talaga eh. Sabi niya soon pwede na i-download as SVG AI file. Sana. So, yan, upscale ko na. Pag-click ko niyan, mas malaki siya. Kita nyo, laki, di ba? Laki ng difference. And what you can do right now is you can open this on Photoshop if you want. Photoshop in Loaded. Or download this here. Or pwede nyo pang i-edit to. And for example, gusto nyo tong gawing generate video. Gusto mag-create a video dito. Pwede natin gawin yan mamaya. Pero what I'm going to do right now is close ko una. And mag-open ako ng isa pa which is this one. Ito, i-download ko na rin to. Download ko na rin yan. So meron tayong dalawang image references. Sa dalawang image reference na yan, what we can do right now is go to edit. And then let's click on generate video. Kasi pwede natin gawin yan. What you can do right now in Adobe Firefly is that from the text image itself, pwede nyo siyang ibato sa ating Firefly video model. So if I click on this, tingnan mo mangyayari. It will open the generate video. Ayan. So sabi dito, about uploading images, to use this feature, you must have the rights to any third-party images you upload. Kaya ako gumawa nito ngayon sa Firefly, so I agree. And then you would see, meron tayo dito yung pinaka-frame. Ayan. Kita niyo ba yung frame? So what you can do right now, I can do right now is click on the end frame, and kapag ginawa ko yan, I'm going to put the second end frame, which is kanina ginawa natin. Yan. Click ko yung upload. And so dalawa na sila ngayon, di ba? So what you can do right now is I can use the Firefly video, generate video ng Adobe Firefly. And the only difference is that when you pass or yung pag pinigay mo sa, if you edit it using generate video, when you use generate video, you will lose some of the controls on the camera and the motion when you're doing this, because it will analyze the frame from the beginning and the end. So what we can do right now is we can only just replace what kind of aspect ratio we're going to do. So let's click on widescreen, and then we only have 1 FPS setting here. So I'm just going to type in here. Ano ba mas maganda? Wiggle, watercolor, flash, roaring, tiger, staring at the camera with fierce eyes. So I'm just going to click on video, generate. As you will see, let's try the magic of generating a video based from one frame to another frame. Let's check. Nandiyan pa ba kayo? Okay lang. I'm still, bilis ang oras 42 minutes na pala akong nagla-live ngayon. Parang madali lang pala magawa ng ganito, no? So, subukan ko kaya everyday magla-live na ako ng ganito. Gusto niyo ba everyday magla-live na ako ng ganito? Ayan. Diba? Ang hair ko, ginagaya yung mascot. Ginagaya ng mascot yung hair ko. O, diba? Ayan. Ang kulit ng mascot din, ginagaya pati yung hair ko. Alam mo na, pag 40 something. Yes, thank you, Ryan. Oo. Parang I think I'm evolving into another state on which gusto ko live na rin na katulad ng ito. Unannounced, tapos I'm going to do some live na wala namang parang casual lang. Ganun lang ginagawa ko. Thank you for being here. Okay? Sige, taga. Pa-share ko nga yung iba. Baka mayroong mga gustong makinig. So, share ko na rin itong aking ginagawa sa aking live. Kasi pwede naman akong mamaya, di ba? Okay. Yung mamaya. Hintay muna tayo dyan. Just have to wait on this. Baka may magtatanong, is the Firefly video model already available on Adobe Express? As of the moment, I think it's not yet available and you cannot access it here. But we're still hoping, and hopefully sana magkaroon siya ng integration ulit. O yan. Para po sa ating mga nanonood, if you want, you can share this live to your friends and colleagues na gustong matuto. If you want to ask questions, feel free to do so. I'm just going to share this on my groups. Baka mayroong mga gustong magtanong. And wala naman wala namang expectations to date. This just feel flowing. Okay, share natin to sa ating mga groups para meron silang mapapanood. Okay? Post natin. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano nangyari dun sa ating ginawang generate video kanina. Let's click on the play button. Tingnan natin kung ano nangyari. Uy! Ang kulit eh. Okay. Ganun lang. Kasi nakalagay doon watercolor splash, roaring tiger. So nag-roar siya. Kalain mo, nag-roar siya. Diba? Kulit eh. Yung isa pa nga, nagulat ako doon Wow! Kulit. So bumalik siya doon. Okay. Tingnan nyo, pwede nyo lang i-download. Actually, you can download this now. If I click on download, tayo natin. I think if you're going to post this in your social media like LinkedIn, nag-support na naman sila ng They are supporting right now the content credentials, the Adobe Content Initiative. So, meron Content Credential Initiative. Okay, so tingnan natin ano nangyari dun sa akin when download the video. Let's check. Meron ba siyang content credentials? Tignan ko lang alam kung makikita ko yun pero let's see. I cannot make sure sa loob pa lang ng Finder if this is meron na siyang tag ng content credentials, pero I saw a lot of them recently na merong ganun. Possibly, if I'm going to post this on LinkedIn, lalabas siya. Roar, patawad. Ang galing sakto Ang bilis-bilis mo talaga, Ryan. Ang bilis-bilis mo. Grabe. Okay? Ano pa ba? Tagalin ka natin roaring tiger. Staring at the camera and fierce eyes. Tapos, siguro tanggalin natin yung end frame. Tanggalin natin yung end frame. Paano pwede ko tanggalin yun? Ayan, click lang natin yung close, yung click natin. Tapos, siguro subukan natin yung ibang mga motion dito. Kaya zoom out, tapos camera angle, lagyan na bagong camera angle. Hindi nga pala available yan kapag meron ka nilagay na first frame. So, subukan natin, zoom out and then click on generate. Gano'n ba kalaki ang hinahain nito na credits ko? So, meron pa akong 1,088 credits nang ginagawa ko siya, and then later on kapag nagbago ako. Tapos na to, ang hinala ko magiging 20 credits ang kinakain niya Pero baka mali ako. Tingnan natin Baka naman mali ako. So I love to prove myself wrong on a lot of things. Ayan, itag ko na nga ibang mga friendship natin. Mga manood. Gusto magtanong. Di ko na pala sila pwedeng itag. Sorry. Okay. And again, kapag if you are interested to host an event with us, like if you want to learn more about Firefly, Adobe Express, feel free to do so and contact me or Creative Nation Academy. Usapin nyo lang kami doon. Yan. Parang hindi ako masyado nakikita dito. Yan. Switch kaya ako ng camera. Pagod sa kabilang dito. Bukan ko sa kabilang camera pag-switch ako. Kita ko ba ako? Ayun di ba? Sige. Lipat muna ako sa kabila. Dito ako sa kabila. Okay, so tingnan natin. Di ba pala tapos? Sorry. Ayun na pala. Yan na. Tapos na. So, i-click ko uli yung aking account. Tapos, tingnan natin kung magkano ilan ang bawas. Walang nabawas. Hindi kaya batang pinagpala ako. Ganun. Click natin to. Anong nangyari dito? Hindi siya gumalaw. Pero parang nagalit lang siya. Tapos nag-zoom out siya. Subukan natin mag-tilt up. Subukan natin yung tilt up. Tapos click tayo ng generate. And even generation history is saved in files automatically, sabi ka. So, ito yung pagandahan niya ngayon. Hindi mo na siyang i-save. nasa-save na siya. Hindi na siya babalik sa dati. Test lang kanina, sir. Tuloy-tuloy na. Ano nagtuloy na? Hindi ko na-gets. Test lang kanina. Sige, let me know kung ano yung test mo kanina. Mamaya, subukan natin create from scratch. Meron tayo ng prompt. Baka meron kayong recommended na ilagay dito sa ating gusto nyo ilagay natin sa ating live right now. Pwede nyo ilagay. Okay? And again, ask away. If you have questions, feel free to put it on the chat. And I'll love to answer them kung ano yung kaya kong isagot dun sa inyong mga questions regarding sa Firefly at saka sa Express. Okay? So, nagbago na ako ng camera para kitang-kita nyo ako. Ang hairline tumataas. Ang taas na ng hairline. Okay. Parang medyo matagal ngayon. Sige. It's because of the change in the camera angle. Siguro punta yun sa taas. Sige. O, subukan natin. What happens next? Anong nangyari dito? Click on play. And you would see ano nangyari dito. Tumaas siya. Tapos okay. Okay. Ganun yung nangyari. Parang nabuhay yung lion. Okay. Ay, lion. Yung tiger pala. So, I think what we can do right now is I can remove all of this and I will do some prompting right now by using it without any frame reference. So, ano kayang pwede natin gamitin dito? Pwede tayo dito extreme close-up. Gamit tayo dito extreme close-up, camera angle, the high angle shot, and then tilt down, and then let's type in a prompt. For example, red blood cells swarming, circulating in veins for medical, commercial shot or not. Yeah, ano mangyari? So with that said, let's click on generate with all of the following specifications. Let's click on this. Let's try and create something new without any reference inside of Adobe Firefly. Ano po bang mga example pwede natin mailagay dito? Wala akong nakahandang prompt right now. So, ito bang mga dati kong ginagamit? Sa aking meron akong stash patagong prompts for the days before Adobe Firefly, early stages ng Adobe Firefly apples. Hintayin lang natin. I hope you're all doing well. So, wishing you all the best sa ating adult now. Let's try something. Hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos, nagmamadali ka. May lakad. Try this. Ang tagal ng generate video, no? Kapag on its own, pag wala siyang image reference. Bukan natin, ha? Ayun, no? Ako ang galing. Ha? Ang galing. Subukan natin panoorin. Tingnan mo. I have never tried this. Hindi ko pa nasubukan to, pero I'll try this. Wow! Wow! Akalain mo may ganun. Diba? Oo. Pwede ko nang yan, diba? Galing! Oh, wow! Tapos pwede natin baguhin yung kanyang kaya move left siya. Tapos gawin natin siyang low angle shot. Low angle shot. And then medium shot. Close up na lang. Close up. Tapos click natin. Baguhin natin yung seed value kasi yung seed value will enable us to play around. Tapos gawin natin 9. And then baguhin lang natin ng konti. Red blood cells, circulating in veins with medic blood. Rapid movement. And viruses invading seed. Let's click on generate. Oh yeah, subukan natin. Generating video. Hindi nyo kailangan nyo iwanan niya nandiyan. Oo. It brings me also back memories. Flash. Well, Macromedia Flash. That time. Thank you for reminding me, Ryan. Alala ko yan. Adobe Flash. Yan eh. Since mga 1995, Macromedia Flash. Tama yung history ko, 1995 around 2004. And they are still very active. And then, if anyone would be listening to this, naalala nila yung Swish. May naalala ko ba sa inyo ng Swish? Yung Swish na na application, ating ginagamit ko yun. This was way back. Pero wala na ata ngayon yun, yung Swish. Napakadaling gamitin nun if you want to create like Flash. Yeah. Tama. Sprites yung doon ginagawa as yes. Swish Max, meron pa nga dati yung Swish Max. Tama. Sige, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Ano yung mga changes natin. Low angle, close-up shot, move left, tapos dinagdagan natin yung prompt for the video. Mas matagal nga talaga siya mag-render or mag-generate ng video kapag mismong tinype mo na prompt at wala kang reference. So, ano kayo mangyari? Surprise me! Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari dito. Ayun o! Ang galing! So, meron na siyang viruses invading the sea. Subukan natin. Tingnan natin. Maganda yung animation. Aba, ang galing ah! Imagine mo yan, no? Diba? Ang galing. Nakagawa ko ng something na ganito. So, ano lang pwede natin magawa dito, di ba? And all, sinabi din nila na the things that you create here sa Adobe Firefly video is commercially safe. So, you can, ano pa ba? Baka meron kayong mga request na ilalagay natin na prompt. I have some here. Wala na zombie yan. Sobrang haba ng prompt na to. Tingnan natin kung maiintindihan niya at hindi siya umiyak. So, eto, paste ko na siya. Sobrang haba nito ha. So, ganyan siya. So, click ko yung generate. And let's see kung anong mangyayari. A modern abstract composition in the Bauhaus style featuring a balanced interplay of geometric shapes such as circles, triangles, and rectangles. The artwork uses a primary color palette of red, blue, and yellow, contrasted with deep black and white spaces. The composition is structured and dynamic, incorporating asymmetrical balance, layer transparency effects, and subtle textural details that resemble vintage printmaking techniques. The background has a soft off-white tone to enhance a retro-futuristic aesthetic, evoking a bold minimalism by Kandinsky and Molinari. Okay, tignan natin ako ng mangyayari pag ginawa natin. Evening, Ma'am Jenny. Ako. Long time no look. Long time no see. Tama ba? Long time no hear. Boom, parang Gionella yung prom. Oo, mahaba yan. Marami akong ano yan eh, naka-impact niyan eh sa aking stash. Turning limbics into a bouquet para ma-adjust na. Kaya subukan natin. Alam mo, di natin masabi, di ba? So, click natin tong play button from that. Di ba? Ang kaso nga lang, parang hindi yung sinagot lahat. Although, maganda siya. Diba? Aesthetically pleasing. Hindi ko na save kasi automatic naman siya nandun sa akin. Sige, subukan nga natin. Hanap tayo ng turning limbics into okay. Spelling ko ng bouquet. In slow motion, ano ba? Rococo style, detailed petals, and tawag doon, floral, meron na pala, floral arrangement, for example. Ano pinipig ko sa AI, di ba? Floral arrangements. So let's try this. Gawin natin siyang zoom out. Mas maganda zoom out siguro. Tapos, or tilt down. Mas maganda tilt down. Gawin natin yung camera angle into a high level shot. Let's do a medium shot on this. Let's click on generate. Tignan natin ha. So, marami pa naman akong excuse me po, marami pa naman akong generative credits. Bakit parang hindi nauubos ang generative credits ko? Tingnan mo, kung kanina hindi nauubos 1088 pa rin. Ano nangyari yun? Yan po, baka may magtatanong, when credits run out, you can continue to generate content at no additional cost for a limited time. So, meron pa rin naman kayong paraan para mag-create pa rin kayo ng mga generated images ninyo. Kaso nga lang para may kapatid. Okay? Pero nakakapagtaka, hindi nagbago yung monthly generative credits ko. Hindi kaya dahil sa I was an alpha tester of this. Kaya hindi nito nagbago. Let's see. Later pa pala ako i-charge. Ayan. So yan, request yan sa akin ni Ryan. Gusto niya, let's parang limbics into a bouquet. Nilagay ko po. Pero dinagdagan ko kasi gusto ko maging expressive. Nagkaroon ako rococo style, detailed petals and flower. Dinagdag ko lang yun. Yung slow motion, nilagay ko lang din. So let's see kung ano mangyayari. Ang kikitong ginagamit nila dito mga mascot. Hindi kaya ito rin, AI generated din yan, tapos tinag lang. Paano natin? So yan, kanina, wala palang nakapansin. Yan. So, yun. Tignan natin kung ano nangyari dito. I think this one is not good. Katakot. Hindi pa siya ganun kaganda. Sabi nga nila, hindi pa siya ganun kaganda. Siguro na-interpret lang niya dito, turning limbics into a bouquet in slow motion. Kaya nagkaroon ng ganyan. Medyo pa siya, hindi pa siya ganun ka-perfect. And what can we do? It's still an public beta. Okay? I think what works right now is the image frame, image to video. Pero if this would be very all this simple. For example, gamit lang ako ng prompt na medyo simple. Cute walking panda with hats and in a runway fashion show. Something like that. Yung kanina, mga general use cases na pwede natin gamitin for commercial, as we see. Pero let's just play with it before we end the live. It's almost more than an hour now. Kung gusto nyo mag-end ng live, nyo mag-end. Ako pwede na pa ng hanggang mamaya. Tignan natin kung anong mangyayari. And baka dun sa mga nagtataka kung ano yung ginamit kong technique para dun sa video ko na kanina, in-upload ko 21 hours ago, I did a image to video yung kaninang technique na pinakita ko sa inyo, yung pinakauna. So I have static images and then pinagalaw ko siya using the prompt. Okay? It's not perfect. I have to admit, but it's still a work in progress. Maraming mga pwede mangyari dito sa Firefly video model. Imagine, hindi pa siya officially released. And I do not really expect a lot of things here because sabi nga nila, kung ikaw ay 2 years old lang naman, hindi ka naman, I do not expect you to do like advanced things. Hindi naman kayo magka-calculus, 2 years old na kayo. Yes, Miss Jenny. Sana nga magtuloy na yung sa DepEd. Magbibigay daw sila ng license. Hopefully, sana magtuloy ito at maging maayos yung deployment para gamit ng maraming mga teachers yung license ng Adobe Creative Cloud. I just don't know if Firefly would be included on that because as you can see. Yan, kita nyo, di ba? So pag tingnan natin, marami pa siyang as you would see, hindi siya ganda. So nakakatuwa pa rin siya. Di ba? So yeah, it's still not perfect. But, if you're just going to type in very specific, simple prompts, pwede siya. You can get by with this. For example, dragonfly in a flower with morning fog, for example, something like that. Simpleng bagay lang. Easily create something like that. Pero pag sobrang detailed, hindi pa siya ganun kaganda. So, yeah, that's something to consider. And also, probably I'll be doing more sessions like this on a daily basis. I'll try my best to do it on a daily basis because gabi naman siya. And before I forgot, we're going to have an upcoming webinar with the portrait Design with Love. That's going to happen on February 20. I'm just going to open another tab for you to all appreciate what we're having this weekend. So, ito po siya. We're going So, pwede pala yun? Pwede palang ilagay yun doon. Okay. Ginawa ko tuloy siyang background. Pwede ko matagalin. Clear background. Ayaw niya mag-open sa sa tab tapos hindi siya gagawing background. I-open ko lang sa pinaka-file tabs. Unchugin ko. Huwag ka natin. Ayaw. Something like that. Alabas ko siya. Kaya, okay. Dapat pala sa taas. Hindi ko alam yun. I'll try it again. Ayan. So, as you would see on the screen, we're going to have another live webinar coming this weekend, February 20. It is part of the Design with Love webinar series for February. And I will be having Sherdane Martinez, one of our Adobe community experts, fellow Adobe community expert sa Creative Nation Academy with Adobe. We're going to have personal experience with motion graphics. So if you have questions on how does someone become a motion graphic artist or one who's using After Effects, tanong nyo lang po sa ating session on this. Sherdane will be giving you lots and lots of insights. Alam na alam natin kasi she is very welcoming. Alam naman natin si Dane. She's very welcoming our audience. Okay, so let's check on Adobe Firefly before we end this live. Ayan, tignan natin kung ano nangyari. Sabi ko, dragonfly in a flower with morning fog. Mukhang hindi nyo naiintindihan, no? Pero let's just check. May dragonfly, may morning fog. Tapos, hindi ko lang alam kung flowers. Pero, yeah, probably that. Kasi nag-tilt up siya. Tignan natin. Okay. That's one thing that you can do inside Adobe Firefly video model right now. So again, if you're watching this session, maraming salamat po sa mga nanood sa biglaang live lang. And then I'll try tomorrow check. I'll have the chance to do a live on my Facebook page. Okay, so maraming salamat, Orion, Ma'am Jenny, and all of you who has reacted to the videos. I really appreciate all of you. Nandito rin si Joey, si DK Ray Rom, si Sir Kiano Oracion, si Ma'am Ses, si Ses Lakatango, si Honey nandito. Yan, ever so reliable Ryan. Sila. Okay? So again, maraming salamat po. And have a great evening to all of you. Kain po tayo. Pagkalipas ng buko. And patulog kayo maaga. Okay? Bye everyone.